Doing dropshipping on a Big Cartel is pretty easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Big Cartel offers easy online stores for artists and makers. They make it simple to build a unique online store, sell your work, and run a creative business. You can use Big Cartel not only to create multiple stores, but also establish a unique form of a dropshipping store on this platform, which will help you to generate more revenue. So let's jump right into it. To begin, head over to bigcartel.com in your web browser. Big Cartel offers a free version that allows you to sell up to 5 products without requiring a credit card. In this version, you can add a single image per product, use free, customizable themes, sell online, and access real-time statistics. While this is a great starting point for a dropshipping business, it works best for niche stores with a limited product range, such as stores focusing on trending TikTok products. However, if you have plans to expand your business down the line, consider their next tier plan, which starts at $9.99 per month. With this premium plan, you don't have any listing fees. You can upload over 50 products, including up to 5 images per product, and gain access to all the essential inventory, sales, and tax features. And if you want to enjoy diamond features, consider having their premium plan, which comes with the 500 products with no listing fees. All of these plans provide different features that you can enjoy depending upon your needs and preferences. Now, let's begin building your Big Cartel store. To start, visit bigcartel.com and click on the sign up in the top right corner, or you can click on Open Your Store on the home page. Here, you can choose between the free or premium plan. For this tutorial, we will continue with the free plan. After that, provide your email address, create a password, and add your shop name along with the shop URL address. These are necessary credentials to continue. Once you're done, click on the Sign Up button. Now, verify your email address. They have sent you an email for verification. You need to click on the Verify button given here. This ensures you can receive emails like order notifications, messages from customers, password reset, and account updates. Once your email is verified, you'll have access to your dashboard. In your dashboard, you'll find your products. You can either import products from a CSV file, or you can also add products manually by entering their name, description, category, and other basic information, including variation, shipment details, and tax categories. You can also set up discounts and manage orders. Under your account settings, you can configure payment and tax settings, link your PayPal or Stripe account to handle payments. Here, you can also set location and currency for your account. Additionally, you can customize your store's design by selecting from various themes and configuring pages. It allows you to customize the header image, background image, announcement text, colors, font style, and to add different social media links. You can also add new pages by clicking on the Add a New Page button given here. From your top right corner, you can select to view your page in desktop, tablet, or phone view, which can help you to arrange settings. From the Home button, you can access products, contact, and cart along with the maintenance of your store. On scrolling down the home page, we have the option to see taxes if offered as an automatic and a manual way to set up the taxes. For dropshipping, you can source trending products from platforms like AliExpress. Simply copy the listings and manually send orders to your supplier. One of Big Cartel's advantages is that it allows you to maintain a more professional appearance, avoiding the overt look of a typical dropshipping business. Here's a simplified process for adding a product. Firstly, open the AliExpress in a new tab. Then, search for trending products on AliExpress. You can select products from different categories. Choose products and click to open its details. After that, add their listings to your Big Cartel store. Manually input the product information on Big Cartel. You can copy all the details from AliExpress to use on your store. You can copy the listings titles, description along with the images. Make sure to put prices more than the original ones so that you can profit from them after all the expenses. You can also add variation in your product if it is available in the original store. Also, consider adding shipment charges. Lastly, you have to set taxation for the product. Once you're done adding all the information, hit the Save button to save these changes. So, when order comes in, place orders on AliExpress with the customer's address. Receive payment from your customer before placing the order with AliExpress. The customer receives the product directly from AliExpress. For faster product delivery, you might also consider warehousing options. You can also have your own shop on a Big Cartel by simply launching a shop. There you can copy your shop link to share with your friends, or you can also promote it on various social media platforms. This will help you boost sales. That's how you can do dropshipping on Big Cartel. Big Cartel can serve as an excellent platform for niche dropshipping stores, offering a professional appearance and easy setup. To stand out, it's crucial to avoid looking like a run-of-the-mill dropshipping store due to the competition in this field. And that wraps up our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comment section below.